So this is what I got going on with my castle so far, my Cinderella's castle from Disney World. I started recording some of us doing it, but yeah, I completely forgot that I was recording it, and then I started building it randomly when I had just like a little time to kill, so I just started building some more. So this is what we've got so far. I mean, it's not like we've gotten so far. I mean, we're not even halfway through it. I'm on bag 4. There's two bag 4s. I don't even think we're like even a quarter way into it, because this is the book here, and as you can tell how far we are, that's how much we've gotten done so far. That's pretty much it. So yeah, it's going a little slower than I thought. Like, some parts are a little more challenging, and the fact that sometimes there's like parts, because like I just had a whole bunch of parts that I did, that it's like you do it, but then you got to do it again. So it's like you have to do 2 of them. So it's like some pages you have to actually go through. Let's see if I can find you guys a page here. So like here we had to do 2 of these, because it says ×2 down here. You guys can't even see that. Down here it says ×2. Same with here, it's, you know, ×2. So we had to do that a lot in this. So yeah, it's a difficult thing. Like, I don't even know how many pages are in here. Let's find out how many pages are actually. I mean, pages of actually building it. 485. And we're on page 122. So yeah, we're not even close. So I'm gonna try and build some right now, so I'll get you guys set up and you guys can watch me build part of my bag 4. So wish me luck. Okay, so bag 4 is complete. I'm going to try and start doing my buildings like this in parts. So we added a chandelier, the clock, the planter there, the 2 knights, which I actually changed the knight's knife on that one because it was actually on the same side, but I thought it looked better with the opposite there. And then we built a lot up here on the top. So we've got, you know, the archery set now, and then we just added a lot of like bricks to it. So we still have Mickey, which Mickey came from, I think, bag 2 or 3. That part I didn't record because I forgot to. Sorry guys. But yeah, we just basically started building the arches. So there's a progress up there for you guys. But these are the extra pieces we have today. And then we still have Lonely Mickey. Looks like we're going to be building Minnie in the next bag. But we still don't have a place for these. So stay tuned for bag number 5. Bye!